What is good, YouTube? Dub Digital, crypto news, macro trends. Got a pretty interesting article here. Has to do with central bank digital currencies. That's a big theme on my channel because it indicates regulation within the actual world. How governments are actually seeing blockchain and not fighting it, but trying to join it, merge with it. Singapore's central bank eyes commercial role for its blockchain payments tech. Okay, so Singapore, for those of y'all don't know, Singapore is like a financial hub in the East for the West, pretty much for the entire world. Singapore is like an up and coming place. Lots of wealth resides there, lots of businesses reside there, but more importantly, lots of crypto businesses reside there because Singapore has a long history of financial autonomy. They're like the Swiss bank of Asia. A blockchain project from the Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS, and state investor Temasek has completed its final development phase and is now being considered for the basis of commercial payment ventures. Singapore's Central Bank Authority and Temasek said Monday that with the fifth research cycle of Project Ubin now complete, the next leap will be implementing the live commercial solution to solve real-world challenges. Ubin has been running as a multi-currency payments platform, and has leveraged work on a blockchain and digital currency at U.S. investment bank J.P. Morgan. So Project Ubin has ties to J.P. Morgan. Project Ubin has ties to Southeast Asia payments. I'll do another video on Southeast Asia blockchain economy, and we got Tomo Chain, we got MAS. We got a whole bunch of stuff. Quark Chain. They all interoperate together, so they'll be working together. And it sounds like Project Ubin might be an integral role into that whole payment system in the East, and maybe even further. Beginning in 2016 as a clearing and settlements initiative, Ubin's fifth phase, launched in November 2019, branched out to other areas like capital markets, supply chain finance, and insurance. The research found Ubin made complex financial transactions more efficient, lowering fees on foreign currency trading and cross-border payments, as well as using smart contracts as a secure alternative to traditional escrow accounts. So now it says that this is a multi-currency payment platform. Not only is it fiat, official country currency, dollar, yen, peso, whatever, but it also includes cryptocurrency. And in fact, it relies on cryptocurrency to achieve some of these benefits, like less fees on foreign currency trading. Hint, hint, what's the one cryptocurrency that prides itself on being like the new medium of transacting for forex trading, which is basically buying and selling different national currencies for a beneficial exchange rate for you? That's XRP, guys. I'm pretty sure XRP, R3, Corda, maybe not Corda, but R3 is involved with Project Ubin. Okay? The report says banks are now exploring whether Ubin can become the template for a commercial multi-currency platform for users to transact directly with one another. Okay? So, essentially, before it was used for things like it's the capital market, supply chains, and insurance, but now the bigger use case, the $400 billion use case, right, is how can you and I pay each other through Ubin instead of just J.P. Morgan to Merrill Lynch, instead of just like big institutions or government exchanging value back and forth, or big behemoth insurance companies. How can a little guy do micropayments on Ubin? Because it would sound like if this is the system that a lot of banks, mega banks like J.P. Morgan, which is one of the biggest banks in the world, if they're already set up on it, it would make sense that their patrons, their customers, their depositors who have money in those institutions would be able to do payments on it as well. That way, J.P. Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, they wouldn't have. Well, again, let me make it clear. This is J.P. Morgan's technology, but they wouldn't have to manage this and that and keep track of what blockchain integration over here and there and who's using what. If they could just say all JP Morgan depositors are now able to make payments to and from anyone's account using a new technology like Project Ubin. And that's something that we saw earlier in this month from Banco Santander, which is a huge Spanish bank and really a global bank who's big into technology and is on the cutting edge of technology. They recently announced a similar payments platform using like Ripple Lab technology as well. So we're starting to see these big banks, and in this case, it's the Singapore Central Bank. But we're starting to see big institutions roll out these crypto payment platforms that merge traditional finance with cryptocurrency. I like the direction this whole trend is going, because it's ultimately just going to bring more value into crypto, and that's good if you're already in it, right, guys? So leave a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, Dub Digital. I bring you crypto news and macro trends on the daily. All right, so I'll catch you all later. Peace.